Hi, my name is David Gutierrez. I'm the immigration attorney here at Shumway Van at the San Antonio offices. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the Notary Publics and the problem of them helping people or filing immigration applications or petitions with USCIS or any other government agency. In the United States, Notary Public is not an attorney. Although they do provide a service that is required by our legal system, and affidavits and other legal documents require notary publics, they cannot practice the law. Now in Mexico, things are very different. In Mexico, a notary public has to be an attorney. They do similar functions, they perform similar functions as notary publics in the United States, but they also perform functions that attorneys perform here in the United States. This has caused confusion with people from Mexico when they come to the United States thinking that a notary public is an attorney and someone who can help them with their immigration problems. Now, the reason that they are not quite as versed in immigration law is they lack a depth of experience and a depth of knowledge that comes from an education in law school or working in a law firm, working on real petitions, working on packages that are going to be sent to the government, things like that. Now, immigration matters can become very complicated. So complicated that it requires legal knowledge that is in depth and more than just scratching the surface. Another real big issue is that notary publics really aren't accountable on their license when they practice immigration law. As opposed to an attorney is accountable. His or her license is accountable and on the line when they're practicing law. Therefore, there is that accountability that creates some sort of incentive to make sure that everything is done right and to check things more than once. And this creates a quality of work. And that quality of work just doesn't exist with notary publics. On top of it all, practicing immigration law when you're not an attorney is against the law. It's the illegal practice of law. And the government has made it illegal for a reason, and the reason being that it can be dangerous and it can put immigrants in a situation they don't want to be. In summary, we just would like to make it known that notary publics in the United States should not practice law and should not be filling out immigration petitions or applications. And if you need that type of service, be sure and go to an attorney. Are attorneys more expensive? Perhaps they are a little more expensive, but you're getting quality work that has value. And in the end, that value could be the difference between being able to stay in the United States or filing an application correctly.